welcome back to the Tres Jolie channel and my channel. I am getting ready to work on my third Cards, Tags, and More project. I'm going to be using the kit and this value pack of cards and envelopes from my stash, and whatever else I need. I'll probably use some embossing powders for the butterflies, something like that. I'm just going to make a few example cards. I still have some of those 3D stickers left, my smaller scrap pieces here, that Craft-O-Clock sheet, my big sticker sheet here, and quite a bit of paper yet in my paper pad. Leaves. Used all the flowers, but I have leaves, resin pieces, and of course that chipboard. So I'm just going to go through, get everything cut and ready. This should be a rather quick and simple project with the papers and these 3D stickers and the sticker sheet. I'm expecting this to go together rather quickly. I have cut my papers to size and stuck those base pieces down to the card faces. The cards are 5 by 6.5. I think the envelopes are 5.5 by 7. I don't remember what I said before. Anyhow, I just cut the papers down to 4 3/4 by 6 1/4, and then just put some of that Scotch ATG glue on there and stuck them down. I have 2 that are vertical cards and then 2 horizontal cards. Okay. I also, someplace, just had them, I swear, I embossed my butterflies. They're right there. I embossed my butterflies, those little chipboard butterflies. I am going to do this. I embossed them with some Lindy's Gain oak leaf olive embossing powder, and it is just on the bare chipboard, so it has oak leaf olive embossing powder on there. It does not seem to want to stay in focus. Hopefully you can see it well enough. In those darker areas, I just brushed on a little bit of that Stamperia metallic black wax that was in the December mixed media kit, just to give a little bit of shading to them and add some color to, or some darkness to the body and antennas there. Alright, I didn't really think these simple little steps here really needed to be shown on video. They're rather easy steps, not a lot of process there. Okay, so now I am just going to lay out my cards on here, just like so. So I can figure out how it is possible that I keep losing things today. Oh, okay. It's just going to be one of those days, I guess. I keep setting things off and not remembering where. Anyhow, so I'm just going to go through the sticker sheet, the resin pieces, and those layered stickers. Let's see, move my envelopes out of the way. Hopefully I won't lose them. I have my butterflies on here. I cut apart one of those sheets from the paper pack that was the like 4 can't think of one, pocket pages type size, that page. I cut apart one of those so that I have some pieces of that ready to go for some layering. And I cut out the You Are My Happiness and the Be Brave from that Craft-O-Clock sheet. Just to kind of give me some options for some layers. And I'm really just kind of going to go at it. I might come over, add in some of these scrap strips that I have from cutting papers apart. I've even considered I may find a place to use the leaves that I have left in that flower pack. So it's just going to be moving things around, mixing and matching until I kind of get some layers built up on and am happy with what I have come up with. I have everything I'm going to be using, at least I'm pretty sure everything I'm going to be using, out and ready. I am heating up my hot glue gun. I wanted to mention, because I'm pretty sure I forgot, that Lindy's Oak Leaf Olive embossing powder that I used came from the September 2019 Cards, Tags, and More kit. Just wanted to mention that. So now I am just going to start putting my layers together. Like I said, these cards are my, they're rather quick and simple card projects. With that sticker sheet and those 3D stickers, you can really get some nice cards put out in a relatively quick amount of time. Maybe not me, because I'm obviously having talking problems today, and finding things problems, but I think that even I can manage to get these together in a relatively short period of time. Alright, my cards are done. Relatively quick and easy. Just using the sticker sheet and the papers from this month's kit. A couple of mediums from my stash and hot glue. And then these cards are good to go. If you want, you could also add a little decoration to your envelopes. Still using some of those stickers on here. You can put on as many or as few as you want, or none at all. Just to add a little something to the envelopes as well. Thank you for joining me here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you will always be up to date when new video projects get posted or the reveal videos at the beginning of the month. Thank you, and I will see you again next month.